Yo, what's good people, it's Cactus, and in today's video, I'm going to be making a Christmas UK drill beat. I feel like this is becoming an annual thing. Last year I flipped Krampus, and that beat came out crazy, so this year I have to step it up. The first thing I need to do is actually find the right sample to flip, so I won't waste any time with this one, let's get straight into it. I'm going to be using Tracklib to find the sample, and if for some strange reason you haven't heard me talk about them yet, they're a huge online record store where you can easily download and clear original songs. I actually used one of the samples in my new instrumental album Timeless, which is dropping on January the 6th, and they just made it really easy to clear it. You can browse through the collections, you can go straight to genres, or you can go to tracks and then start filtering things down by the genre, song key, track type, BPM, year or region. Because we want a Christmas sample, I'm literally just going to type in Christmas, search it, and then we'll see what we can find. I think it just sounds too happy to flip. Something like this could be nice though, something with strings. Ooh, or something like this. Whenever I hear strings, I'm instantly sold. But let's see what else is in here. Yeah, this could be the one. Let's just test it as a loop and with a beat. We'll try and pitch it up a bit too. Yeah, so we could chop it like that. So I just clicked here to download it, and if you want 15 download credits for yourself and 30 days completely free, make sure you click the link in my description because that's double the normal amount. Alright, so I've dragged the sample in. It's 143 BPM, which is perfect for drill. I'm just going to cut the beginning off and we'll find the right part to chop. I did have that one part in mind, but we might be able to find something better. Ooh, this bit's sick. Like, just cutting it from here. Yeah, that could go hard. I just need to chop it right. Let's try pitch it up too. Even a little bit more. Could pitch it up 5 and that'll take us to A sharp minor. Sounds hard. We just need to get the right BPM though. Yeah, that sounds mad. We just hear how it loops. Yeah, this one is going to come out crazy. Let's send that to a mixer. We'll just clean it up a bit. I'm just going to take out a few of the lows and highs. I'm going to use Smooth Operator to help clean it up too. This is just going to balance out some of the frequencies. Ooh, halftime sounds crazy actually. I could use this for one section like a verse. And then I'm just lowering those harsh frequencies just a bit. And that's really all it needs, just a quick cleanup. But I'm going to see what else we could take. And I just want something where it's a bit lower. Like that there. So we'll move that back and then we'll just find a part that works. That could work. So I'm just going to get straight into the drums, and I feel like I'm going to have to use Christmas sounds. So I want to find some kind of bell, some kind of like sleigh shaker thing. So I've got this jingle here. I want to see if I can make a bit of a counter snare from it. Bring the attack up a bit and then fade it out. Sounds mad. Okay, let's grab one of the new ones I'm working on, like this. I think that sleigh has to be the second one. Let's get some fillers in. So yeah, just a simple pattern, nothing too wild. Then I'll copy that, layer it with the sleigh, and then we'll just take a few out. Alright, let's get a snare too. Alright, drums are sounding sick so far. Let's find the 808. And then maybe from here, it can just gradually come up. So like this, maybe up an octave though. Alright, Alright, and I've just extended the pattern, and then we'll go a bit crazier in the second half. Alright, in that section we'll keep this but change it here. With those slaves, I'm just gonna fade them out because they might get a little bit annoying. Let's just try it with halftime as well. I'm hearing a bit of a glockenspiel now, just as a counter melody, so I'm gonna pull up Contact. And for the melody, I'm definitely hearing some kind of choir too, like a children's choir that would fit for Christmas. Alright, so I found these. These might just fit perfectly under it. Alright, I'm just gonna add this transition as well. And I think that's all the beat needs for now. I'm just going to start arranging it, and then as always, I'll add stuff if I need to. I'll copy this out a few times, and then we'll decide what we're going to do for the intro. So yeah, I think start with halftime on. We're going to make the intro just 8 bars for this one. And then yeah, we'll bring the counter snare in halfway through. Or the choir. And then halftime can just come off here. Crazy. So yeah, maybe in this section, I'll leave the choir out. We'll just save that for when we've got halftime on. So yeah, a little breakdown here. Save the choir too. For this choir, we'll just move that back a bit. Then copy that over. Alright, and then I found this vocal of Santa, and I think this needs to fit right in this section here, just before the counter snare comes back in.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!
But as always with vocals, I just like to filter them a bit, add a bit of reverb, and then just some delay. And then in here, as always, I like to add some kind of bridge here. So yeah, just chopping up the main counter snare a bit. Alright, so it's going to be like my usual arrangement, and I'll get a sub bass in here. I think just that one note. Yeah, that's going to sound hard, but we can get the same automation here, so halftime just gradually comes off. Alright, one last thing. It has to be a drum fill there. Yeah, there we go. Now we can copy it over. Alright, let's listen from the beginning. So yeah, we just started with the sample, the halftime, then the choir,
Cactus.
and obviously straight into the hook. I think this came out crazy. This sample's so sick. Then we introduced that sleigh counter snare. Second pattern for the 808. Then of course we had Santa in there. Had to be in. And it picks right back up. Those choirs just fit perfect too. Let me know in the comments if you like last year's Christmas beat or this one. I don't know which one I prefer. And then yeah, I just added this bridge here. This just calms it down before the hook again.